Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your friend Indu here. Well, today I'm back with another video and the topic of today's video is unboxing and review of the beautiful Glamego box for the month of January 2018. Yes, I'm going to unbox and review this Glamego box, but before that let me just take a moment to tell you what is Glamego box. Glamego box is India's #1 subscription box. Why is it so? Because it's available at a very affordable price. Firstly, if you go for a 1 month subscription, it's available for 399 rupees. If you go for 3 month subscription, it's available for 329 rupees. If you go for 6 month subscription, it's available for just 299 rupees. And if you go for 12 month subscription, it's available for 289 rupees. Not only is the price making the Glamego box India's #1 subscription box, but also the products that you receive in it. In every month, you receive around 4 to 5 products in Glamego box, and not only that, the price worth of this products is somewhere between 1,500 to 2,500. That is like totally amazing. So I'm going to unbox and see what this month's Glamego box has in store for us. Firstly, let's talk about the outer packaging. I had received the product in this cardboard box and you can see that it's completely labeled as Glamego and it looks very nice, and the product was very nicely packaged and delivered to me. Secondly, now let's go to the original product. So this is how the actual box of Glamego looks like for this month. And once you see it, the theme for this month is no resolutions, and you have photos of 5 superwomen on the cover. That looks really nice. And secondly, the box itself is very beautiful. The color is beautiful. And on the back side of this box, you have all the resolutions that you tend to make every year and also break, like talk less, say always yes, do not freak, less of Facebook, less of Instagram, listen to him, etc. Now let me just open this and show you what is inside. Firstly, when you open it, on the inside of it, you can see there is a cue card which says, "Thanks for making Glamego India's #1 beauty box." So sweet of them to say that. And on the back side of this, you have details of all the products that you have received in this month. And the theme for this month is Lap of Luxury. They're also launching a new product this month, that is through Glamego box. And on the other side, if you see the inside of the box, you have 4 different products. So firstly, I want to make a special mention that as soon as you open the box, you have beautiful aroma or a fragrance coming out of it. I'm feeling really nice. I think it's because of the products inside it, and it's very well packaged and delivered to you. So the first product of this month, which is a special product that they are launching through Glamego box, is this BioBloom Skincare Facial Oil. This is an age-defying facial oil and a radiance booster. You get 15 ml of product and the price of this product is 1499. Can you believe the first product itself is for 1499 and the price of the box is just 299? How awesome is that? BioBloom, as we all know, is a company that produces products out of natural products, and it is a totally paraben-free, SLS-free, sulfate-free, preservative-free, etc. So I'm really excited to try this face oil from BioBloom. This is basically an age-defying and radiance booster, so that makes it all the more special. Just look at the bottle. It is so pretty. And it's looks like one of the most luxury brands, and you have a dropper system to it. Yes, you have this dropper system going on in it, which is really nice. The fragrance is really nice and it's quite aromatic. I can really feel the strong fragrance. I would love to try it and give my reviews on it. So if you want to see a complete review on it, let me know in the comment box below. I'll be more than happy to do that. So next product that I have is from Bella Voste. This is their Bella Voste lip gloss, and I have 0.2 ml of product in this box, and this retails for 599 rupees. Let's just open and see what shade is this in. Oh, this is quite a huge bottle, and this is in the shade 03 Pop of Pink. It seems to be a very beautiful color. Let me just show you a swatch of it. The fragrance is really nice. It's like what do you say, a plum strawberry or something. Yes, the shade is very pretty. It's very nice and glossy. Really liked it, really like the fragrance. It's something similar to Miss Claire lip cream, similar to like that. Nice bubblegum strawberry flavors. So really liking the second product itself. The next product that I have is from Natural Bath and Body. This is a Vital Nourishment Cream. This is basically grapefruit vitamin C Vital Nourishment Cream. and this retails for 220 rupees. And Bath and Body brand is basically an organic brand. Again, they produce goods from organic products, exotic products. Again, this is paraben free, SLS free, and sulfate free and chemical free, which is like really nice. They are also fragrance free. Like all the fragrance that you have in this is from natural ingredients, so that's like really nice. It has a slight grapefruit fragrance. Otherwise, you can see the color of the product is like white in color, and it's a very light, soft cream. It spreads really nicely and it feels really very nice on the skin. It's nice, soft, nice grapefruit fragrance, and I'm really happy to try it. Let me just do a complete this, and if you want to see a review, let me know. Last but not the least is again a very beautiful product. It's again from the BioBloom brand. This is a BioBloom Bath Care Handmade Soap. This is how it looks like. This is in the fragrance of lavender, and again this has a very nice aromatic smell. I think this is the fragrance that is lingering around in this box. It is really nice. I like the products from BioBloom, and firstly because it's natural and organic products, so I'm more than eager to try this too. That's an end to the video, and I hope you like this unboxing video. If you like the video, then please do give it a big thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me. If you want to know any details about Glamego Box, I'll be putting down all the details below in the description box below. You guys can go and check it out there. Till next time, see you. Bye guys. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.